Ever wondered how we can protect our crops without harming the environment? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of biopesticides. They come from natural sources like tiny microbes and plants. Our focus is on the secret behind them: biochemical precision. Think of this way: synthetic chemicals are like a nuclear bomb. They hit everything. Biopesticides are like a precision-guided missile. They only hit the specific target. They work by exploiting a unique vulnerability in the pest biology, which is the core of biochemical principle we explore. This makes them safe for us, the soil, and the beneficial insects.
Let's look at the best example, the Bt toxin. Bt stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, a common bacterium found in soil. This bacterium makes a crystal protein called a protoxin. It's an inactive package. Here's an incredible biochemical lock and key system. When a caterpillar eats this protoxin, two things happen inside the gut. The caterpillar's gut is highly alkaline. This alkaline environment dissolves at the hard crystal. The pest digestive enzymes then cut the dissolved protein exactly right, turning the harmless protoxin into the lethal activated toxin. The activated toxin finds a specific receptor sites on the gut wall and pokes holes in it, causing the insect to stop eating instantly and die. If a human or animal eats it, nothing happens, or stomach acid prevents the toxin from activating. That's biochemical specificity.
Moving away from microbes, let's look at how plants protect themselves using secondary metabolites. These chemicals plants make purely for defense. Our star example is the neem tree. Neem produces a compound called azadirachtin. It uses two amazing defense strategies. The first one is anti-fedant. It tastes terrible to the pest, so they simply stop chewing on the crop. Growth regulator is the second one. This is the clever part. Azadirachtin is chemically similar to the insect's own molting hormones. By mimicking these hormones, it messes up the insect's development schedule. This pest can't shed its skin properly. It can't mature and its life cycle stops. Fungi also use this concept by producing powerful chemical toxins over physically infecting the host. Biopesticides are our future. They rely on elegant, precise biochemical rules. Beauty's disruption to give us effective, eco-friendly, and production. Thank you.